We have issues, bigger issues in our schools because we allow little things to go by. We have snowballs that become boulders or snowmen because everybody says, oh man, I'm not going to tell those kids to stop running. Nobody else is telling them to stop running, so forget it. The high school, I'm not going to tell that kid to take his hat off because nobody else is telling him to take his hat off. So forget it. Before you know it, you've got one or two or a handful of adults that are walking around the hallway saying to kids, hey, take your hat off, you know the rule. And they go, you're the only one who gets on my back. Nobody else ever gets on me about it. And that's a problem. That's a problem. Every adult in the building should know what the building rules and expectations are, and everybody enforces them. That doesn't mean you chase the kid down the hall and say, hey, what's your name? Come here. You know you got a hat on, right? What's the rule? What's the rule? And then they go, and they get on your back. All you got to do is say, hey, guys, take your hat off, keep on walking. Say to the little kids, hey, stop running. Use your walking feet and keep on walking. You don't have to say to them, stop, go back and walk. Show me you can walk. Well, here's the deal, folks. Show me you can walk. How much time do we waste on that? Obviously, if they were running, they know how to walk. All right? As far as I know, walking comes before running. So you don't have to go back and show me that you know how to walk. However, it is my job to call you out on it and say, stop running, walk. Stop running, walk. I got to tell you something. If 85 adults or whatever number of adults you have in the building kept doing that with every single kid, eventually a kid sees an adult and what do? They start walking. It's when we're inconsistent.